Welcome back to Usawa tutorial videos. Today I want to show you how to create manner journal in Usawa. To create a manner journal in Usawa, kindly follow this simple process. Go to process, then manner journal. Now, manner journal is used for adjustment between two accounts. To create your manner journal, click on create journal. Enter the narration, revenue for March 2024. Select the date. Select the tracking option if applicable. Select the currency, naira or dollar. Enter the description, revenue for March 2024. The account is revenue. $25,000. Click on add new line. Enter the description. Select the account, accrued income, 25,000. You can attach your file by clicking attach file. You can select from your existing documents or upload a document. Upload, click and save. Then click save.